How to fix iPhone stuck on black screen during call. So if you want to fix your iPhone stuck on black screen during call on your iPhone, then what you need to do is the first thing you need to do is reboot your device when the screen is stuck. After rebooting, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is to disable raise to wake. In order to disable that, you need to first open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will have display and brightness. Tap on it and then again scroll down, and here you will have raise to wake option. So you just need to simply go and turn this off and then again turn it on, and this might fix your problem. If this still doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is to reduce motion. In order to reduce your motion, what you need to do is you need to go back to your settings and go with accessibility section. Under your accessibility, you will have motion. Tap on motion, and here you will have reduce motion option, right? So you just need to simply go and turn on your reduce motion. After turning this on, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't, then go back to your settings and again turn this off. If this still doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to check your screen protector or tempered glass. If it's blocking any screen or something like that, then it will be stuck. Or you can also reboot device to avoid any future issues. After rebooting, your problem will be fixed. Or you can also just force start. In order to force start, what you can do is you can press and quickly release the volume up button, and then press and quickly release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side buttons. When the Apple logo appears, you can release the side button and it will force start. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.